Do something stupid, Josh. Josh. Steven, I need a cigarette. I can't see that. Hold on, wait. Do it again.
You make it taste like apple?
It's an apple cigarette.
Okay, let me back up and then get closer so I can see without having
No,
to...
it seriously tastes like apple.
You didn't get very big drag. You stuck your tongue in it. You said,
Had a piece of gum.
you need a piece of gum. There's plenty of gum. It's hot in here.
How you made it all wet?
How do you pause it? You can't pause it? Oh, but you can make it lighter. Hey, that's pretty cool.
What are you gonna do with gum?
Gum under
Dun, 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 dun. Why are you doing that? Okay.
Make sure the air don't get out.
The apple cigarette. Is it apple flavored? Let me see it.
There's smoke out of an apple.
Where's the hole at? On
Other way.
right there?
Yeah, right there.
Okay, let's see. What are you doing, Kason? Been done. Next.